Yixing Shengda Refractory Ceramic Company Limited, established in 1995, is a professional engaged in the design, production, and sales service of alumina ceramics, zirconia ceramics, silicon nitride ceramics, cordierite ceramics, steatite ceramic strips. We are located in Yixing City, Jiangsu Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Based on decades of professional production experience and advanced equipment, Shengda Ceramic can provide total solutions from the research, design, manufacture, and assemble of new products to meet different requirements. Our employees are experienced and proficient in using production and processing equipment, such as isostatic pressure and dry presses machines, as well as flat grinders and CNC precision carving machines, which can fully meet the dimensional accuracy and production requirements of customers. Shengda Ceramic is also equipped with corresponding software to meet customer design requirements, provide professional OEM and ODM services, and customize according to customer-provided drawings or samples. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Germany, Saudi Arabia. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please feel free to talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.